What you're looking at isn't just an octopus. It's a biological system we barely understand. Its skin isn't passive. Thousands of tiny cells expand and contract, changing color in real time. But it doesn't just change color. It changes texture, smooth to rough, like living terrain. Each arm thinks. Signals don't just come from the brain, they flow through the entire body. Every sucker can taste, feel, and grip. Hundreds of sensors working at once. No bones, no rigid frame, just soft, adaptive structure. Except for one thing: the beak. If it fits, the entire body can follow. It doesn't run on one heart, it runs on 3, working together to keep it alive. And its blood isn't red, it's blue, powered through gills in a completely different system. It moves like a living engine. Pull in, compress, and fire. One central brain and 8 more in its arms. It doesn't just think, it thinks everywhere. All of it working together. Not just an animal, but a system, one of the most advanced on Earth.